Welcome back to C for Crypto. So in this video, we'll talk about how you can build on SuperFluid as well as use push notifications from push protocol for your app. So last month I participated in SuperFluid's paid full hackathon where I just learned how to use SuperFluid SDK to enable money streaming. For context, SuperFluid is a money streaming protocol. Let's usually we'll be sending tokens or Ethereum one time, right? So I'll be making a transaction of $100 in USDC to an account, and the receiver will be using it once. So instead of doing a lump sum, Superfluid is building a technology that allows anyone to stream money. So just like you're spraying some water, so it's like streaming money every second. So let's say if you're starting a stream for 30 USDC per month, it'll be calculated per second. So one day it'll be like $1 divided by 24 hours into 60 into 60. So one second is calculated, and that particular amount of tokens will be streamed to that particular receiver. So like let's say if I want to pay some employee um, $1,000 per month, but not at the end of the month. Let's say I'm going to just send a stream to that particular employee, so he'll be able to use the money as and when it's required. So if you want to withdraw some money on the first week, he'll be able to withdraw and use that funds, because it's already in his wallet, streaming try straight to his wallet using Superfluid. So this is the technology that Superfluid offers. So I just built this little application. So what this does is, like, I felt like why not build a Twitter tool that enables anyone to start a stream to a Twitter account. So I'll just show you a demo here. So once you connect your MetaMask wallet here or any other wallet, so I'll connect my MetaMask here. So basically, before we get started into building with Superfluid, so there is this thing called super tokens. So those are the tokens that you can stream from accounts to accounts. So we are on the Matic Polygon Mumbai testnet. So we have already got some fake DAX token that we'll be using for this demo. So you can also create your own super token if you think your application needs it. So that's so this application is where you just simply input a particular Twitter username. If that username has a valid address, then you can start a stream by just giving the Twitter username. So let's say you just give a wrong username like this, then search for it. You won't be able to start a stream to this particular account. So, but let's say I'm just giving my Twitter account here. So once, yeah, so I can just start a stream to this particular account. I can send this much of DAX per month. So it is exactly like that. So I can just create a stream. So once you click that, you will receive a MetaMask pop-up. You will have to sign the transaction. Um, let's wait for some time. Mhm. What's happening? Hmm. I think let's give a ref. Mhm. So the wallet is connected, and let's go to this. Type the username. Yes. Let's do $100 stream. Let's also check if there is no incoming streams for this account, because in Superfluid you cannot start a stream to a particular person if you already have a stream going to into that particular person account. Let's say if you have a stream going to a, let's say, Vitalix account from your account, let's say $100, you cannot start a new stream for the same Vitalik account with a different amount. That doesn't work here. So you'll have to delete the old stream and create a new stream here. Yeah. Okay. Mm. There's some problem here. Mm. I just used wrong wallet that doesn't even have some super tokens. So let me just connect with the right wallet. Um, yeah, that's the problem. So if I connect with the right wallet, everything should work as it intended. Let's go start a new create stream. Let's just check with the console. Creating a new stream. Yeah, that works. So you see a MetaMask pop here. Mm, yeah, there you go. So let's just start a stream and wait for some time until we see the transaction going through. Yeah, let me just reload this page. So this is the dashboard of Superfluid Finance app. So yeah, we have started a stream to this particular wallet address for 100 fake DAX. So that's what this app simply does. So and also once you start a new stream to a particular account, you also receive push notifications using push protocol. I'll also show you what I mean by that. So let's go to staging.push.org. Let's connect the same wallet, and I mean the wallet that we sent the stream to. So I think, yeah, this is the thing. Yeah. So let's go to in the inbox. Um, yeah, so here you go. Someone started streaming $100 per month. So that's what we built during the previous wave pool, and that's pretty much it for this tutorial. If you want the code for this particular app, I'll just drop a link to my GitHub where you can take the link. But what I've implemented is very straightforward and simple. So it's basically a simple React app. The main logic lies here. So if you want to send a notification from your app using push SDK, this is the only thing you'll have to use. So it's like hardly 15 lines of code. So you just have to just use the push API and send this particular thing. And I've used superfluid SDK to start the stream, so it also hardly takes 20 lines of code. You simply have to provide a particular token, so you can also create your own to super token. So in this case I've used fake dix, which is already available from the superfluid dashboard, which you can request for some fake DAI token and use here. So I just used it here. If you want to use your own token, you can also do that. You just have to calculate how much to you should start a stream in seconds. Once you do that, it's pretty straightforward. Yeah, it's very 15 lines, and that basic React app will just call these two functions upon clicking this button of um, create stream. So that's pretty much it of the app. And yeah, so the reason why I'm doing this video is Push and Superfluid has partnered together to just provide $20,000 in quarterly grants. That means if you are someone who's super enthusiastic about money streams and want to get started into building an app that uses Superfluid and Push Protocol, you better apply for this program and get some mentorship and some grants too for your project. So that's it for this video. Goodbye.